GK Jain Schools, a great way to start your child's early education.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Dear children, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe our school YouTube channel. Good evening children, this is Padma from GK Jain Schools. In today's class we are going to see about analytical geometry from 11th Business Maths. Today we will see what is the definition of a circle, how to find the equation of a circle when its center, radius and diameter are given, and also the parametric form of a circle. Let's move on to the topic now. First, let us see the definition of a circle. A circle is the locus of a point which moves in such a way that its distance from a fixed point is always constant. The fixed point is called the center of the circle and the constant distance is the radius of the circle, as you all know already. The equation of the circle with center and radius are given is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. Suppose if the center is at origin, then the equation of a circle is x square plus y square is equal to r square. When the equation of a circle, when n points of the diameter given, that is x minus x1, x minus x2, y minus y1, y minus y2 equal to 0 will be the required equation. And this is the general equation of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, where g, f and c are constants. And what about the center? It is minus g comma minus f, and radius is root of g square plus f square minus c. And the note states that the general second degree equation represents a circle. Parametric form is cos theta is equal to, that is x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. So this is the equation. We will see the certain important sums. Exercise 3.4. So we will see the important sums. We will start off with the third sum. Find the equation of the circle whose center is minus 3 comma minus 2 and having circumference 16 pi. Since the first two sums it is like substitution type only, so you can do it as homework. And circumference was given to be 16 pi. And what is the formula of circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. So obviously the pi will get cancelled. 2r is equal to 16, giving us the r to be 8. Now I am having the radius, okay, and center was already given. So equation of the circle when center and radius are known, the formula is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. So here it is minus 3 and minus 2. So minus of minus will become plus 3. X plus 3 the whole square plus y plus 2 the whole square is equal to 8 square. So again this I will expand using the a plus b formula, a plus b the whole square formula, and this is also a plus b. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, here also a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 64. I can bring the 64 this side. So subtracting, I am getting the equation of the circle to be x square plus y square plus 6x plus 4y minus 51 equal to 0, which is the required equation of the circle. Now we will see the fourth sum. Find the equation of a circle whose center is 2 comma 3 and which passes through 1 comma 4. So center h comma k was given to be 2 comma 3. Okay, so that is the center. Now when center is given, we will be able to find the radius, right? So the radius is equal to distance formula. We will use the distance formula because there was one more point. So if it is going to be a circle, the center and any point on the circle will obviously be the radius. Okay, so using the distance formula, I am finding out the radius, and equation of the circle with center and radius is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. So x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square is equal to root 2 the whole square, which is nothing but 2. And here I will expand using the a minus b the whole square formula, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then I will take everything to one side. Hence the equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. Now we will see the fifth sum. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 0, 1, 4, 3 and 1, minus 1. This is very important 5-mark sum in this particular exercise. Okay. So the required equation of the circle be given by the, see, we have the general equation. We have seen the initial when I'm giving the introduction, we went through the general equation of a circle. What is the general equation of a circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So I will substitute the point one by one. The first I'll substitute the first point in the place of x and y. I'll substitute 0 and 1. I'll get an equation 2f plus c equal to minus 1. Next, the circle is again passing through the point 4, 3. I will substitute that also. So I'll get the next set of equation. Then there is one more point. I'll substitute that also, and I have got one more equation. So now I have 3 set of equations. One by one I'll solve them. I'll first consider equation 3 and 4 because I'm having same variables here, g, f, c, g, f, c. So what I am going to do, I will write the third equation as it is, 8g plus 6f plus c is equal to minus 25, and the fourth equation I will multiply with 4. Okay, so 4 2s are 8, so that I can eliminate 8g. So I will get an equation in terms of f and c, 14f minus 3c equal to minus 17, because already I am having an equation in terms of f and c, 2f plus c equal to minus 1. Now what I will do, I will consider these two equations. There is the fifth equation and the second equation which already it is there. So 14f minus 3c is equal to minus 17, and the second equation I will multiply with 3 because the second equation is 2f plus c. So if I multiply with 3, this c will become 3c. So when I am changing the sign, I can get rid of the c. So see here, 3c gets cancelled, 14f, 6f. So 20f is equal to minus 20. Then what about the value of f? So value of f was found to be minus 1. After finding the value of f, I can substitute in any one of the equation to get the value of c, and then I will substitute f and c in any one of the equation to get the value of the any one of the equation, in the sense the equation containing g. Okay, if I am not going to substitute in the equation not containing g, I will not get the value of g. So I will substitute in the equation containing g, so I will get the value of g to be minus f by 2. Now what I will do finally, I will substitute g, f and c in the equation. That is the general equation. So I am getting the equation to be x square plus y square minus 5x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So now we will see one more sum of the similar method but little twisted. Find the equation of the circle on the line joining the points 1, 0, 0, 1. See, the previous sum 3 points were given, so it was easy for us to substitute point wise, get the equation, solve them, and we arrived at the equation. Here only 2 points and having its center on this line. Okay, so first general equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then it is passing through one point, so I have got one more equation here, and passing through the other point. In the place of x and y, I will substitute the point and I have got one more equation here. So given the center of the circle, it is minus g comma minus f. The center is given to be minus g comma minus f, which is lying on the line x plus y equal to 1. So I will just substitute. In the place of x and y, I will substitute minus g minus f equal to 1. This is the fourth equation. Okay. Now I have 3 different equations. So I will just solve one by one. I have considered second equation and third equation. So c can be cancelled and I am getting the value as 2g plus 2f, and the sign has been changed. So 2g minus 2f equal to 0, which is my fifth equation. So since I am having one more equation, second equation involving g and f, there I will eliminate the g and I am getting the value of f to be minus 1 by 2. After getting the value of f to be minus 1 by 2, I will substitute f in the third equation and get the value of c to be 0. So I have got the value of c to be 0. So after getting the value of c, I will substitute in the equation which is having g. See, 2g plus c is equal to minus 1. So 2g plus 0 equal to minus 1, and I am getting the value of g. Now I will substitute g, f and c in the general equation. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. In the place of g and f and c, I will substitute the values. So I am getting the equation as x square plus y square minus x minus y equal to 0, which is the required equation. Now we will see the seventh sum. If the lines x plus y equal to 6 and x plus 2y equal to 4 are diameters of the circle. Okay, there is a circle and we have been given the equation of the line which are the diameters of the circle, and the circle passes through the point 2, 6. So we are supposed to find the equation of the circle. So to get the coordinates of the center, okay, first we need the coordinates of the center, right? So we will solve the two equations, because if it is going to be a circle and if the diameters equation were given, the intersection point is nothing but the circle. the center. So I will solve the equation. Eliminating x, I am getting the value of y to be minus 2. So I will substitute the value of y in first equation to get the value of x. So I am getting the value of x to be 8. Now after getting the value of 8, I have got the center to be 8 comma minus 2. So I have got the center and the circle is also passing through one more point. As we discussed in one 3-mark sum, if it is going to be any point on the circle and with the center, it will be obviously radius. So distance formula, right? If you are having a circle like this, if it is a center and any point on radius, this line will be called as the radius only. Any point on the circle and from the center, if you are going to join it, it will be radius. So radius is equal to distance formula 10. So equation of the circle with h comma k and radius r is given by x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. So x minus 8 the whole square plus y plus 2 the whole square is equal to 10 square, because r was found to be 10. So x minus 8 the whole square means a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. And this is a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to 100. Now I can take this 100 to the other side and I am getting the required equation to be x square plus y square minus 16x plus 4y minus 32 equal to 0. So this is also very important 3-mark sum. So the 5-mark sums will be given about the circle passing through 3 different points. Okay. So children, today we have learnt what is the definition of a circle, how to find the equation of a circle when its radius, center and the diameter are given. Also we have seen the parametric form, the exercise related with all these concepts. We'll see about another topic in the next class. Thank you children.